Hi everybody, this is Julie Bean with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make the Madeline earrings, which is this earring right here. And you can see it sparkles so beautifully because it is using some gorgeous prestige crystals, which we are very excited to have at Beadaholique. So if you see what we've done here, it's actually really simple. It is just some lovely beads. We've got those bicones put onto a head pin with a wrapped wire loop up the top hanging from a gorgeous Nunn Design earring hook. So this is a really simple earring to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it in just a minute, but I want to show you that you can do something simple or you can do something complicated. So here is a bead woven earring I just shot a video for as well. This is using some Czech diamond beads, some pip beads, and again the beautiful prestige crystals. Here we're using bicones in light turquoise, which are really, really pretty. But for this project, we're going to be using some other colors. So what we've got for our ingredients to make the Madeline earrings are a Raven's Journey focal bead. So you see this pretty bead right here. And then we pulled out the colors from it. So that's great. You can match your colors. So I have a 4mm bicone in Crystal Rose Gold 2X. So you see that nice coating is all over. Then I have a cyclamen opal shimmer, and this is a 6mm size, and you see that beautiful shimmer right there. And then just for a little added sparkle, I have a little tiny 2.5mm bicone in Crystal Golden Shadow. For your tools, you're going to need a pair of cutters, a wire looping plier or round nose plier, whatever you prefer to use, and a chain nose plier. So let me go ahead and pull the tools out of the frame for just a minute. We'll come back to them in a second. I have my head pin right here, and onto it I'm going to put a 2.5mm bicone, a 4mm, and a 6mm. So you see that right there. And then I'm going to add my Raven's Journey bead, followed by one more of the 4mm bicones and one more of the 2.5. So we just made a really nice stack. So when I was designing this pair of earrings, I was trying to make it way more complicated than this. And then I thought, you know what? The beads are all so pretty. They can really just speak for themselves. So I thought, wow, sometimes simple is really best. So now we're going to make our wrapped wire loop up top. So I have my wire looping pliers, and you can see it has a round nose and a concave nose. We do have a full video at Beadaholique showing you how to use these if you've never seen them before. They are one of my very favorite tools. So I'm going to grab the head pin just slightly above the last bead. I don't want to be right on top of that last bead. So I've got it, and I'm just going to squeeze and push over, rotate my pliers up to the top so I'm still grabbing it. And then I'm just going to take my wire and pull it around and go ahead and just wrap it a couple times. Now I have a little hand lotion on, so my hands are a little bit slippery, so if you have that problem too, you can actually take your pliers and grab your tail and use your pliers to do some of the work for you. So you can make a couple wraps just like that, as many as you are comfortable with. So once you've got your wrappings done, go ahead and trim your wire tail, and then I always like to go back in and straighten it. So I straighten the loop and I tuck my tail. So I don't want a pokey tail, especially on an earring or if you're doing a bracelet, and you just tuck it by squeezing it ever so slightly into your wrapping. So if you see that right there, that tail is now tucked away. Then I'm going to take my earring hook, and down at the bottom I'm just going to open up the base, real simple, and slide on my dangle. And I think what makes this earring so dramatic are these lovely earring hooks, but also just the beautiful sparkle and shimmer you get. So it's quite a striking earring to wear, and really very easy to make. So that is how you make the Madeline earrings. So we've got the Laguna ones and the Madeline ones. I do have a full tutorial for the Laguna ones as well. So have fun going over to Beadaholique and looking at all the beautiful prestige crystals over there. We've got so many beautiful colors and sizes and shapes and cuts. It's really a delight to work with. And a tip is, if you're trying to come up with a design, go ahead and pick one color and match everything around it. Or like I did here, pick this pretty Raven's Journey bead or another bead such as that, and then pull all the colors out of it and create a nice color palette. It's a really fun and easy way to design. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial video, the tips, and I hope you have fun shopping all the beautiful prestige crystals at beadaholique.com.